Welcome to my new video. Today I will teach you how to make a mountain painting. Now, the first colors that will be used in it are these. We will use the orange color, and after that mixing this two, we will use the yellow color, blue, and then we will use mix them all together. Well, first we will use the violet color on the sky above. Now we are going to mix the violet color while under it and mix it again so that the color darkness and enhance. Now we will make the mountain. The colors we need to make that the mountain are this. First we will mix the pink and brown color together to make one color that we will use for the top mountain like this. Now we will make the bottom mountains. The color we will need to make the bottom mountains are this. First we will mix the red and brown color together to make one color that we will use for the bottom mountain in a way. Now we will use a dark brown color in the mountain below it to make all the mountains. Now we will make small trees with dark brown color. Now we will make small big trees made of black color. Next we will make 3 or 4 ways. We will make them in this way and fill the rest with black color. In this way, you will make a Christmas trees with black color by giving shape in the middle of the mountains. Like this, Christmas tree will be made in this way and will be made small and large. The black tree is made with black color so that it stands out due to the brightness of the lights. So, as the trees have been made, now we will make the sun. Now we will make a sun in the middle with white color, 3 or 4 eagles in this way with black color. I am making it with a pointer. You can also make it with a brush like this. Now we will remove the tape from it. So this painting is ready. Tell me how you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share my video. Thank you.